In other news, it is the end game for the Luthra brothers, who will be in Goa at around 11 a.m. The accused brothers were spotted at the Delhi airport earlier. They are being taken to Goa as we speak, and they are in Goa police's custody. This comes after the brothers were produced before the Patiala House Court last evening, where they were granted 2-day transit remand. And sources have told NDTV that the Luthra brothers actually broke down during the hearing upon seeing their family. But emotions aside, there are many questions that are still looming. Who exactly was responsible for all the negligence, the missing construction licenses, the glaring lapses, fire safety norms that were flouted? Do note that 25 people lost their lives on the 6th of December. Meanwhile, 6 people, including Ajay Gupta, who's a sleeping partner, have been named in the case so far. Ajay Gupta was identified as a business partner of both the Luthras, Gaurav and Saurabh, who ran the Birch by Romeo Lane nightclub. There have also been suspensions within the Goa administration as far as permits and licenses were concerned. Here are all the reactions you need to listen to.
फिर उसके बाद फर्दर जो भी प्रोसीडिंग्स होंगी वो वहाँ पर होंगी। 3 दिन की हमने रिमांड मांगी थी, लेकिन 2 दिन की हमारे को ग्रांट हो गई है और अब गोवा जाके बाकी आगे जो भी
सर आप क्योंकि उनकी विक्टिम की फैमिली की तरफ से हैं तो आपने कुछ कोर्ट में कुछ दलीलें दी?
इसमें इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आज ऐसा कोई भी उठा नहीं। मैंने आपको बताया था बेल एप्लीकेशन इनकी तरफ से जो कि फाइल नहीं हुई है। बेल एप्लीकेशन अगर फाइल होती तो उसको डेफिनेटली हम लोग अपोज करते। यहाँ पर ऐसा कोई भी नहीं था, सिर्फ ट्रांजिट रिमांड की एप्लीकेशन मूव की गई थी, जो कि उनकी तरफ से कोई भी बेल एप्लीकेशन या भी फर्दर एप्लीकेशन नहीं आई थी, और तो उस पर कोई भी ऐसी चीज का यहाँ पर इम्पोर्टेंट है नहीं।
ये तो मैंने परसों ही कहा था कि ये जो बड़ा इंसिडेंस गोवा में हुआ है, कम से कम उस वक्त वो मालिक होने के नाते उनके रहने का फर्ज था। भागना, ये कहाँ भागेंगे कहाँ, तो कई हाँ इसको अरेस्ट कर दिया है और इसके ऊपर आगे से आगे कायदे के अनुसार उनसे कार्रवाई होगी। थैंक यू।
लुथरा ब्रदर्स को थाईलैंड कंट्री ने डिपोर्ट करना, ये हमारी बड़ी कामयाबी मैं मानता हूँ, क्योंकि ये कामयाबी इसलिए है कि मोदी सरकार ने जो भारत की एक छवि इंटरनेशनल प्लेटफॉर्म पर खड़ी की है, इसीलिए ही थाईलैंड सरकार ने एक्सट्राडिशन के बजाय उसको डिपोर्ट करने को सोचा। क्योंकि ये मैंने देखा है कि एक्सट्राडिशन की गुनहगार एक्सट्राडिशन की प्रोसेस बहुत लंबी चलती है, उसको बहुत वक्त लग सकता है।
My colleague Tejashree Purandare has been tracking the Luthra brothers for all the way in Thailand. She's now back in Delhi with us. Tejashree, we're given to understand that both the brothers will be in Goa at around 11 a.m., after which Anjana police will produce the Luthra brothers before a judicial magistrate first class at Mapusa today?
Well, absolutely. That is what the latest update as of now, that as soon as the Luthra brothers will be landing, custody has already been taken by the Goa police. Goa police arrested them there itself yesterday at the IGI after completing the immigration formalities, and then they were produced in the court in Delhi at the Patiala House Court, which court gave 2 days transit remand, and now they are being taken to Goa, where they will be produced in the local court in Goa, and then the Goa police will be asking them custody for further interrogation and investigation. Now we'll have to see that for how many days does the Goa police ask for custody, and what comes out to as far as the investigation is concerned. Remember that tough questions will be asked to the Luthra brothers, so as to why did they flee the country. Not just that, but in fact also remember that the questions will also ask as to how this entire illegal construction they were able to manage, and why did they carry out such a construction in a huge manner, flouting all the norms said with the show cause notice or the demolition notice as well. And now when they will be taken to court, we have been seeing that how in fact they have been hiding and in fact evading all these, hiding the reality and evading the questions that NDTV has been asking them. Remember that we have been tracking all the minute-to-minute updates, say it be in Phuket, Bangkok, in Delhi, inside the aircraft, at the airport, and in fact in the court as well. And we'll be giving you all the updates as far as the Luthra brothers investigation is concerned, because it is about the 25 individuals who have lost their lives, and we have been relentlessly fighting for the justice.
Tejashree, as far as the web of arrests and suspensions is concerned, can you take us through all the relevant stakeholders that are currently being interrogated, like Ajay Gupta, who alleges that he was a sleeping partner? We're also given to understand that many officials have been suspended from the Goa administration regarding permits and licenses that were granted.
Well, absolutely, you're right that number of officials have been suspended in this case because it was not just about the Luthra brothers, but also it was the administration who is responsible for such kind of negligence, keeping in mind that if the demolition notice was given, why the demolition was not carried out. Remember that we were the only channel, in fact, who first showed the demolition notice that was issued in the year 2023 and the show cause notice as well. So, administration should also be held accountable so as to what they were doing for the past 2 years when the NOC was not given, why it wasn't checked. So all these things, in fact, are under probe, are under investigation. The third, associate of the Luthra brothers, the Romeo Lane in Goa, which was turned into ashes, Ajay Gupta, is already into investigation, is in custody, is being investigated. We confronted him as well. He, in fact, stated that he was just a sleeping partner with the Luthra brothers and nothing more than that. But keeping in mind the kind of document that came to light, where it showed that how he was also, in fact, mentioned in the GST share as well. So it clearly shows that it was a larger nexus that the Luthra brothers were running, not in Goa, but other places as well. We also saw that how 42 shell companies also came to light. So, manner in which, these all things are unfolding, they raise several questions, not just on the Luthra brothers, but also on the administration as well.
Tejasri, thanks so much. We'll, of course, revert to you for regular updates.